Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable syntax highlighting in Neovim. So let's get straight into it. This syntax highlighting is generally enabled by default. But if it's not working, you can enable it manually using built-in methods. So let's dive into it. This is the standard highlighting engine. So if it has been disabled, you can re-enable it with a command. So let's type in, let's type in here column, and then we have syntax on. This is one way to do, or we can type in syntax enable. This is in normal mode. Or if you are in init.lua, you can type in something like that. Vim.cmd parenthesis syntax on. Or you can here in init.lua type in the code something like that. So require Neovim treesitter.configs setup highlight enable true. False will disable the whole extension. And this is basically how you can enable syntax highlighting in Neovim. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.